Hello everyone, this is Benjamin from Eastern Tech. Today I want to introduce you our company. These are wire samples from our customers, and these, as you can see, are verified documents we have. Today I want to introduce you a simple but powerful machine that has been widely praised by our customers. Our latest model, 5150. Hexagonal terminal crimping machine. It is suitable for big wires from 4 to 95 square millimeters, and there is no need to change the mode. It uses widely, can equip with hexagonal modes, 4-point modes, 4-side modes, and open modes. And as you can see, in addition to hydraulics, this machine is also equipped with air cylinders as an auxiliary power, making it crimps larger and thicker terminals. Welcome to contact us for more details.